Right, just got a box from Target. Where's the logo? What could it be?
A fridge?
It could be an Xbox mini fridge. Oh!
It's your mini.
You guys are supposed to go nuts. What happened? Oh, how cool is that? We are about to open it. All right, this is it. The moment I have been waiting for all my life. Well, second moment. First moment is over here. All right. Let's open this up. Okay, Rico, you hold it. Okay. Okay, let's see.
Is it going?
Let's see. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
It looks just like it. Oh, tonight I sold my original one. I wanted to put it next to it. I have the Halo one now. The thing is a lot lighter than what I expected.
That isn't just for
Isn't
you.
that cool? Look, and you put the game in there. Like that. Just
Open
kidding.
it.
I'm just kidding. You don't put no games in there.
What do you
Whoa. You put sodas and energy drinks and milk.
What's this?
That is the power cord. This thing is awesome. And I have the perfect spot for it. It's going to go in my office.
Wait, what's this?
Right, I'm going to show you guys where I put it. The perfect spot. Right there. So when I'm sitting in my office, chopping somebody on some Halo, you can open it up. Boom. Ready to go. Halo cans with the codes already taken out. Boom. Man, I hope everyone can get one. This thing is awesome. Fits perfectly in this spot. It is super light. We're gonna see how long it takes to cool up. All right, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed.